Hello students, welcome to Aspire Defense. Today, Indian Navy has dropped a notification for 10+2 BTech Cadet entry scheme. It is one of the best opportunity for the students who have completed 12th to join the armed forces. So, we'll go through the notification. Course commencing is on Jan 2027. It is 10+2 BTech Cadet entry scheme. So, date of the opening 29th May, that is today, 2026, and last date for the application is 18th June 2026. To get this detailed notification, you join our Telegram channel where we have uploaded this notification and get all the updates. The link for the Telegram channel is in the description of this YouTube video. So, applications are invited for unmarried men and women candidates. Unmarried men and women candidates fulfilling the conditions. We'll see what are the conditions. Okay, in the technical branches, that is mechanical engineering and electronics and communication engineering, which each has 30 vacancies each. So total 60 vacancies, out of which 8 vacancies are reserved for women. So 4 vacancies in mechanical engineering and 4 in electronic and communication engineering. The vacancies are reserved exclusively for women candidates. So make sure you use this opportunity. In Indian Army, it is only for unmarried male candidates. However, Navy is offering 8 vacancies for the women candidates as well. So make sure all the women candidates make use of this opportunity and apply for this notification. So what is the age criteria? Born between 2nd July 2007 and 1st January 2010. Both should be inclusive. You should be born after 2nd July 2007 and before 1st Jan 2010. So based on the merit and qualification during training at INA, 7 candidates will be streamed to BTech in Naval Architecture and Shipbuilding at Kochi. Okay, these are the opportunities. So now we will see the eligibility criteria. Education qualification. You should have completed 12th with physics, chemistry and mathematics as subject and scored 70% aggregate marks. Including your 11th and 12th, you should have scored minimum 70% aggregate marks in physics, chemistry and maths. And English, you should score 50% either in class 10 or class 12. English subject, you should have scored minimum 50%, and physics, chemistry and maths in class 11 and 12, aggregate you should have scored 70% and above. Then you should have appeared for JEE, conducted by NTA in this year 2026. JEE mains you should have appeared, and based on the rank list, Indian common rank list of JEE, you will be shortlisted to SSB. The 5 days interview and personality testing program, you will be shortlisted based on the common rank list of JEE examination. But one eligibility is you need to have scored 70% in physics, chemistry and maths in your 11th and 12th and 50% marks in English. Okay, medical standards, age relaxations, all will be in the website www.joinindiannavy.gov.in. Okay, you can look into it detailedly. What are the medical standards and fitness required to join the Indian Navy? So once you are eligible and based on the common rank list, you will be shortlisted for SSB. After SSB, once you are medically fit, you will be finally recommended to the Indian Navy, and those 60 vacancies will be filled, out of which 8 vacancies is exclusively for women candidates. So once you are shortlisted, SSB interviews for the shortlisted candidates will be scheduled at Bengaluru, Bhopal, Kolkata and Visakhapatnam from September 2026 onwards. See, many of you have notion that SSB is a physical program. Okay, you might have to run, there are some physical activities, but it is not just a running or you have to complete this task in these seconds. Here, you are tested for your personality, your officer-like qualities, your leadership skills, all these are tested. For more information and details on SSB, you can contact us. The number is in the video's description. Okay. So next, based on the SSB performance, the marks awarded, it will be 5 days SSB. So based on the 5 days SSB performance, your merit list will be prepared, and based on the medical fitness and SSB score, you will be finally, okay, final merit list will be there, which you will be selected for the respective vacancies in the Navy. So training will be included where cadets 4-year BTech course in EC, Electronic and Communication, Mechanical Engineering and Naval Architecture and Shipbuilding. For the 7 candidates from Mechanical Engineering will be given in Kochi, right? So pay and allowance, government will take care of you while you are pursuing your degree, as well as once you complete your degree, you will become sub-lieutenant in Indian Navy. As an officer, you will join. From officer rank, you can climb through promotions with good pay, allowance, medical insurance, armed forces, benefit of armed forces, all will be there for the candidates who get selected here. So, you download this application from our Telegram channel and you can apply, okay, where? You can apply through www.joinindiannavy.gov.in. So make sure you fit the eligibility criteria and apply it. Don't miss a chance. And women candidates also make use of this opportunity to join the Indian Navy and complete course. After that, as an officer, you will be appointed. So all the best to you. All the best to all the candidates. Take care. Jai Hind.